Brolio. Thank you for everything you do. So I'm currently I'm guessing a data analyst two, DA2 data analyst for a company that doesn't want to give me a data engineering title when all the work is when all the work you do is data engineering. So sorry about that. I should have done this before the stream. So yes, it could be that, but it's just a title. Like, one thing that is important is that you have the knowledge, that you learn, or that you document what you do. And I would first off, I would start putting this information out on your LinkedIn profile, like the tools you're working with, the stuff you do. Not like document exactly what you're doing at the company, because this could lead into problems. But like going into, okay, I work with this, I work with that. Maybe do an example project, because you're in the coding and most of the stuff you can set up on your own. Like, just do a project or something, or write about it. And then when you apply to, for instance, data engineer jobs, I would very aggressively tell them, I have been working as a data engineer for the past 2 years or something, but I didn't get the company wouldn't give me the title data engineer. I was the official title was data analyst, but I was working as an engineer the whole time, and all I did was creating pipeline, was setting up platforms, was working with data scientists, and so that's how I would approach this. So the title isn't like, that's like the big thing. Yeah. So let's maybe, I hope this helps. Should I put that in my title, in my resume? So don't put something in the title of your resume that isn't there. That's not how you, like, that's not what you do. What I would do is, like, first of all, I would put data analyst in there. But like, for instance, add a description of what tools you have used in that job. When you create a cover letter, write in the cover letter, I have been working in the past 5 years as, for instance, you could write, I have been working as a data engineer, but my job title was data analyst, and I couldn't change that. But I was actually working as a data engineer, what would be classified as a data engineer. I've been using this. I have been doing this, or I've been doing this. And so that's how I would go forward with that. It's an honest thing, and be honest. Like, don't cheat it, because people are going to find out that your job title wasn't engineer, it was analyst. So be straightforward. It was analyst, but I've been doing a lot of engineering, and so I think that's like the way to go. And if I would read that, I would think that's really straight, honest, and that's what you want.